The Tipra Motha Party celebrated its fifth foundation day on Thursday with a grand display of strength in the Khowai district. The event, which marks the party's official launch by founder Bubagra, Pradyot, Kishore, Manikya, Debbarma on February 5, 2021, saw a massive turnout from the indigenous community. The day's proceedings were organized through a joint effort by the YTF, TWF and TMP Ramchandragarh Block Committee. The highlight was a high-energy rally that commenced from Bari, snaking its way along the national highway before culminating at the Padmabil Bazaar. The march was characterized by vibrant party flags and slogans signaling the party's readiness for the upcoming TT-ATC elections.
Ayuk Lokton, YTF Ayuk Lokton, TWF Ayuk Lokton, Bubagrani Hodulay, Bubagrani Hodulay, YTF ni Hodulay, YTF ke, TWF ke, Bubagrani Hodulay, Bubagrani Hodulay, Tipra Motha Hodulay.
Leading the rally and the subsequent public meeting at Padmabil were several key figures including EM Suhel Debbarma, YTF Block President Riton Debbarma and other prominent local and regional block leaders. EM Suhel Debbarma highlighted that the party remains committed to the core vision set by the Maharaja, fighting for the constitutional rights and socio-economic upliftment of the Tipra sub-people.
Joto media friends no hambai rewo tini norok tini oro jora sanambai phaimani bagai tai tini hai no hai chini Bubagra ni naikol phangbai chini snamjak Tipra Motha Party asaimani tiriti salo thangnai 2021 ni tiriti salo asaimani o salnaruk sawai jeng tini joto amsaino jeng tini chini bisingba asaiman salno jeng palani thangi tongo chini phaisok paijak chini joto block committee ni adong song Y team ni adong, TWF ni adong, Tipra Motha ni adong, te joto chini khaka hamlo krok. Tini Bubagra ni Khorang koplai khane bagai, sing dini oro phai sok paijak. Piaba tini chini amsa yo belegna shadi bango, shadi season ba. Kaisa blog eba kaisa ponche nandro 3-4 shadi tongo. Tobo phano chini amsa ni lukrok or shadi no khibi ban borok tini Bubagra ni logi woi fan ni na bagai tini phaleman bagai ang chini joto lukrok no borno khoroksa ang borno hamjang ma kuplong te hamba ya faro. Ama kene jeng saimano je chini Bubagra khoroksa chini leader je strong leader bin bisinde jeng je chini mantai soktai je chini rights no phiroge manan bagai jeng joto palbaksa khabaksa ya pri marshal nai ama kene jeng tini chini Ramchandragarh block committee bisin khobjak jeng tini oro highway rally khai jeng tini holo Kanchanprabha devi holo aro jeng gathering khai jeng tini dibon.
The celebration concluded with a call for unity among the party warriors to maintain the momentum at the grassroots level as they move into their 5th year of political existence. Reported by Biplov from Khowai, Chini Khorang.